how do sharks make sound? Because most of their body is deliberately engineered to not make sound. Like, their scales on the outside of their bodies, called denticles, they are like designed in a way, not only that they're very hydrodynamic, but they also like keep sound away. They're silent swimmers swimming up to prey. Basically, they closely examined the heads and teeth of the sharks using some microscopes and like this detailed 3D scan. They think that the way they make this sound is by snapping their teeth together really quickly. Might be why it's associated with head movements sometimes. Yeah.